Stop learning ChatGPT, start earning with it. If you've spent hours watching tutorials but still haven't made your first dollar with AI, this is for you. You're not missing some secret prompt or a complicated tool. You're missing a plan. In this video, I'm giving you the exact 7-day roadmap I would use if I were starting from zero today. No fluff, no confusing tech talk. Just a step-by-step guide to land your first $500 client this week. Here is the entire plan on one screen. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything ChatGPT can do. That's a direct path to overwhelm, not income. We are going to do the opposite. We are going to focus. Days 1 and 2 are about the skill. You are not becoming an AI expert. You are mastering one high-demand, profitable service. We're going to focus on using AI to create incredible marketing content, a skill businesses are desperate for right now. You just need to pick one service. Days 3 and 4, you build your offer. This part is critical. You don't sell a skill, you sell a solution. It's not, I can write with AI. It's the 30-day social media content package for busy founders. It's a product they can understand and buy. Then, days 5 and 6 are for your workflow. This is where you create a repeatable system for delivering that offer. This is the key to being efficient, profitable, and able to handle more than one client without burning out. Finally, day 7 is about getting your next client. You take your first results, turn them into powerful proof, and start your outreach to land client number 2 and then 3. One skill, one offer, one workflow, that is the focus path to earning your first $500. Let's start with day 1. Alright, let's dive into day 1 and 2, mastering your first high-value skill. We're not learning 100 different AI tricks. We are mastering one simple service that businesses desperately need, content repurposing. Think about it. A business owner or creator spends a huge amount of time and money making one great YouTube video, but after it's published, that video just sits there. They know they should turn it into a blog post for Google, LinkedIn posts for leads, and Twitter threads for engagement, but they are completely out of time. This isn't a small problem. This is the exact pain point you are going to solve, and the value you provide is massive. Offering AI-powered content repurposing can save your clients 10 to 20 hours of work every single week. That's not a nice-to-have service. That's a lifeline for a busy entrepreneur. So let me show you the exact 3-prompt process inside the latest version of ChatGPT to turn a messy video transcript into a polished, client-ready blog post. This is your first service, and you don't need to be a technical genius. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. Okay, here on my screen, I have a raw transcript from a YouTube video. It's messy, it's conversational, and you definitely can't just copy and paste it. Watch how we transform it in minutes. First, we give the AI its job. Prompt number 1 is all about analysis. You'll copy this directly. Act as an expert content strategist. I have a transcript from a YouTube video. Your task is to transform it into a high-quality, engaging blog post. First, read the entire transcript and identify the core message, the top 5 to 7 key takeaways, and the target audience. Present these as a simple bulleted list. Why this prompt? Because we're not asking it to write yet. We're forcing it to think first. This step alone gives you a huge quality advantage over everyone else who just tells the AI to write a blog post. Okay, ChatGPT has given us the core message and the key takeaways. Perfect. Now for prompt number 2, where we draft the article, we say, excellent. Now using those key takeaways as your guide, write a blog post of about 1,200 words based on the transcript. Structure the article with a compelling introduction that hooks the reader, a well-organized body with clear headings for each key takeaway, and a concluding summary. Maintain a conversational and informative tone. You see what we did there? We used the AI's own analysis as the foundation for the article. This creates a logical, well-structured piece of content that actually delivers on the video's promise. And just like that, we have a great draft. But we're not done. This next step is where you provide the professional polish that clients happily pay for. Prompt number 3 is about optimization. Great draft. Now, optimize the blog post for the keyword AI for small business. Weave the keyword naturally into the title, headings, and body text. Also, format the entire post for easy reading with short paragraphs, bullet points, and bold text for emphasis. Finally, suggest 10 alternative SEO-friendly titles for this blog post. And there it is, a complete SEO-optimized, ready-to-publish blog post. From a messy transcript to a finished asset in under 10 minutes. this is a real, valuable service. This isn't just a theory. A freelancer named Mark on Fiverr started using AI just like this in his video editing workflow. His earnings shot up, and he's now building an 8-person agency. This works. Businesses like TechVision Solutions use this exact method to turn technical blogs into LinkedIn posts, which reduced team burnout and attracted better leads. The data backs this up. Strategies like this can improve a company's return on investment by 32%. And with 65% of marketers now using AI for this exact task, learning this skill isn't optional anymore. It's essential. So you have a service that businesses are desperate for. But how do you actually find them and get paid? That brings us to day 3 and 4. Okay, you have the skill, but a skill without a client is just a hobby. Welcome to day 3 and 4, where we turn that skill into your first paycheck. And let me be clear, you do not need a website, a huge portfolio, or a big social media following to do this. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they need to be a jack of all trades. They list a dozen skills and wonder why no one hires them. The secret is to do the exact opposite. You need one simple, high-value micro offer. Your micro offer is the AI content repurposing package. You take one long-form video or blog post and using AI, you turn it into 10 to 15 pieces of high-quality social media content. For a busy creator, this is a lifesaver, and it's a service you can realistically price at $500 to $1,000 per month per client. Now, you might be thinking, but where are these clients? The demand for AI skills is exploding. On Upwork alone, AI-related jobs jumped by 60% this year, with clients actively looking for this exact kind of help. Let's look right now. I'm on Upwork and I'm just going to type in content repurposing. Look at this. Repurpose YouTube videos for social media. Turn podcasts into LinkedIn posts. These jobs are being posted every single day. They are literally asking for the exact service you now know how to provide. But here's where most people get stuck. Writing a proposal that actually gets you hired. They spend hours writing custom proposals and hear nothing back. We're not going to do that. We're going to use ChatGPT to create a world-class proposal in about 90 seconds. Here's the template. It has 3 parts. The hook, show you understand their specific problem. The solution, briefly explain your process and the value you provide. And the call to action, a clear next step. Now, watch this. Let's pick this job right here. Looking for a freelancer to turn my weekly podcast into engaging LinkedIn and Twitter posts. I'm going to copy the entire job description. Now I'll go to ChatGPT and use this simple prompt. Act as an expert proposal writer. I'm applying for a freelance job on Upwork. Here is the job description I'm applying for. And here is my micro offer. I specialize in AI-powered content repurposing, turning long-form audio and video into engaging social media content. Using the 3-part structure of hook, solution, and call to action, write a concise and compelling proposal for me. And look at that. In seconds, it generates a proposal that is customized, professional, and speaks directly to the client's pain points. It's not generic. It references their podcast, their need for LinkedIn and Twitter content, and positions you as the perfect solution. This isn't cheating, it's leverage. While your competition is staring at a blank page, you're sending out high-quality, tailored applications in minutes. The quality is better and the speed is unmatched. So here is your mission for day 3 and 4. First, define your micro offer in 1 sentence. Second, go to Upwork or LinkedIn and find 3 job postings that are a perfect fit. And third, use our ChatGPT prompt to create and send 3 custom proposals. This is not about applying to 100 jobs. It's about sending 3 perfect applications for 3 perfect fit projects. That's how you get your first client this week. Okay, you got the client, you did the work. Now for the most important part, turning that project into a paid invoice and a 5-star review. This is where you go from being a freelancer to a professional. Welcome to day 5 and 6, the delivery workflow. The moment of truth arrives in your inbox. It's an email from your client with feedback. And it's not a simple, looks great. It's a long, rambling wall of text with vague suggestions. Most freelancers panic here. You won't. This is where you use ChatGPT as your project manager. First, you take that entire messy email and you copy it. Then you take your original work, the articles, the social media posts, whatever you delivered. You put both into ChatGPT. Why? Because the latest AI models have a massive context window. That's just a technical way of saying it can read and remember a huge amount of information, like an entire book all at once. It can see the entire project, all the client communication, and understand the full picture. Your first prompt is simple. Analyze this client feedback email and the attached articles. Create a bulleted step-by-step checklist of every revision requested. Instantly, chaos becomes clarity. Vague feelings become actionable tasks. Now for step 2, executing the revisions. Let's say the client loves the captions you wrote but wants a different visual style. Instead of starting from scratch, you upload their new brand guidelines and your original content calendar. Your prompt is, here are new visual guidelines. Regenerate all the image suggestions and adjust the captions in this content calendar to align with this new branding, keeping the core message the same. This is how professionals save over 10 hours a week. It's not about avoiding work. It's about doing it faster and more accurately than anyone else. You're not just fast, you're world-class. Step 3 is communicating the win. You don't just send the files back, you manage the relationship. Ask ChatGPT. Draft a professional email to my client. Briefly summarize the key changes I made based on their feedback and let them know the final, revised version is attached. This simple step shows you listened, you understood, and you delivered. It builds incredible trust. Finally, step 4, getting paid. As soon as the client approves the final work, send your invoice. Keep it professional. This isn't an afterthought, it's the final professional step of a job well done. This entire process, from messy feedback to paid invoice, is what separates amateurs from top-earning freelancers. It's not just about getting this one project done. It's about building a reputation that gets you the next client and the one after that. You've delivered your first project, you have a happy client and a 5-star review. Now, it's time for day 7. Scale. It's time to double your income without finding a new client. The key is what I call the scaling engine. Your second, complimentary offer. The fastest way to grow is with the clients you already have. And the perfect second offer is email newsletter writing. Why? Because your client already has a goldmine of content. The blog posts and social updates you just created for them. They've already paid for it. With ChatGPT, you can instantly transform that content into a powerful email newsletter that drives sales. Think about the value here. Email marketing is a powerhouse. For every single dollar a business spends, they get back an average of $36. That's one of the highest returns in all of marketing. You're not just offering to write an email, you're offering to unlock that return for them, and you can do it incredibly fast. A recent Adobe survey found that 54% of small business owners said saving valuable time was the #1 benefit of repurposing content. You are literally selling them their time back. It's a complete win-win. Here's how simple it is. You take the blog post you already created for them, and you use this exact prompt in ChatGPT. Act as an expert email marketer. I'm providing a blog post I wrote for my client. Your task is to repurpose this blog post into an engaging 300-word email newsletter. First, write a compelling, curiosity-driven subject line. Then, summarize the blog post into 3 or 4 short, scannable paragraphs. Maintain a conversational tone and end with a clear call to action that encourages readers to read the full post on our blog. This isn't just another service, it's a value multiplier. You're taking an asset they already paid for and giving it a new life. This is how you go from being a one-time freelancer to an indispensable partner in their business. But before you jump in, I need to share the story of my first AI gig. It was for $25 and I had to give every penny back. When these AI tools first exploded, I thought I'd found the ultimate shortcut. I went straight to a freelancing site, grabbed the first writing gig I saw. $25 for a short article. I thought, this is it. 5 minutes of prompting, copy, paste, done. It felt like I discovered a cheat code for money. The client's reply hit my inbox a few hours later. It was brutal. This is robotic, it's generic, and has no personality. Did you just use an AI for this? He demanded a full refund, and honestly, he was right to. I had made the single biggest mistake you can make. I tried to sell the tool, not the solution. And this isn't just my story. When generative AI went mainstream, one major freelance platform saw writing jobs drop by 30%. But then something fascinating happened. Clients started returning to human writers, frustrated with the soulless, often inaccurate content the AI produced on its own. They learned the lesson that cost me $25. Clients don't pay for access to ChatGPT. They already have it. They pay for a reliable, high-quality outcome. They pay for a human-led process that uses AI as a powerful assistant, not as the final author. Selling a generic AI writing service is a race to the bottom, but selling a specific repeatable process that guarantees quality, that is the entire game. And that's exactly the plan I've given you today. Remember what I said at the start? You don't need some secret prompt, you need a plan, now you have one. The formula is simple. Pick one AI service, find one platform, and get one client. Then repeat. That's it. That's the whole business model. So here's what I want you to do right now. Not tomorrow, right now. Pick one of the 3 services we talked about, turning videos into blog posts, turning videos into social media content, or turning blog posts into email newsletters. Just one. Then spend the next 30 minutes on Upwork or LinkedIn just looking at job postings for that service. Don't apply yet, just look, see for yourself that the demand is real. A year from now, you could be making an extra $3,000 a month, or you could still be watching videos and wondering where to start. The only difference is taking the first step, and you now know exactly what that step is. If this was helpful, subscribe. Every video on this channel is about building real income with AI. No hype, just actionable strategies. See you in the next one.